A is for apple. Apple. B is for backpack. Backpack. C is for corn. Corn. D is for digging. Digging. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fan. Fan. G is for gift. Gift. H is for hat. Hat. I is for inkpot. Inkpot. J is for jumping. Jumping. K is for key. Key. L is for leaf. Leaf. M is for melon. Melon. N is for nurse. Nurse. O is for old. Old. P is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for running. Running. S is for sun. Sun. D is for toy. Toy. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for warm. Warm. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for John. John. Z is for zebra. Zebra.